Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of renowned. Known or talked about by many people. Famous. For example, a restaurant renowned for its Southwestern-style food. American pronunciation. Renowned. Renowned. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Renowned. Say. Renowned. Renowned means known or talked about by many people. Renowned. Renowned. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The classes he took became renowned for their excellence. Now, repeat after me. The classes he took became renowned for their excellence. The second practice. The 25,000 residents are culturally mixed and renowned for their friendliness. Now, repeat after me. The 25,000 residents are culturally mixed and renowned for their friendliness.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.